Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, it's the power half hour, half an hour to go before an amazing weekend. And I am focused on two things and two things only. I am watching and paying close attention to XRP, but I'm also in the next half an hour paying very close attention to that Nvidia. Now, if you want to know why I'm paying close attention to that, is because if you are one of my Discordians or my Electrum members, and you saw earlier the post and my live event on Discord, you will know what I'm looking to do with Nvidia. And we're all set. The trap is set. So we're going to keep our eye on that. Up on that top screen, I've got 22 screens in this studio, and I'm going to keep my eye on that screen as I go over to this screen and keep my eye very closely on it, because there's a trap this weekend looking for an XRP explosion, but just before the meeting. Okay, it looks like everything's great. The Strait of Hormuz has opened up, but there's more to it. As Donald Trump paid $50 billion for the uranium, where did that money come from? What happens with the debt? What happens with the Fed not reducing rates? Hirsch, beg your pardon, can't do it. Is he even going to get in on time because of the ongoing legal battle with Jerome Powell? We have got, if you didn't see my event this morning, we've got a trap here. And institutions and those with real money are making a bloody fortune out of dumb retail investors, us, except not us, not the Discordians, not the Lucasades, not the Electrum members, and not me. We're making money and we're taking our money out quietly. We're not sharing it. We're not posting it. We're not putting it on X. We're just quietly taking our money out as they are. And most retail investors, the ones that watch silly crypto channels that telling you it's all about to go to $1 million, you're about to lose everything. Yeah, we all know Nvidia is going to go higher in the end of the year. We all know Nvidia has got a price target of 250, probably go to 300 actually, according to all the banks. But on the way there, we've got a big pullback and a carry trade unwind, which is virtually guaranteed now. So we're keeping an eye on this, and we want to remain in crypto, but I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do. My Discordians know what we're going to do. My Electrum members know what we're going to do. We're not going to tell you. We're not going to put it on. We're not going to put it on social media. We don't need clicks. We don't need to create nonsense. We're here to make money. So we've got 28 minutes to go. What are you going to do? So if you've not tapped the like button yet, can we get 100 likes on the stream? Be really great. Tonight's my music show, by the way. We got a party tonight. If you want to join us on my music channel, studio behind me. I gave you a little taste of it this afternoon with some Cat Stevens and a bit of father and son. So hopefully you'll join me for that. Anyway, consider subscribing too. If you want all my trades, and over the weekend we're going to be going live. We're going to be trading live, not on YouTube. We're going to be doing it on Discord. Live events, live trades, 24/7, 3 o'clock in the morning. I'll be sharing a trade and we'll be winning. 100% will be winning, but we will not be announcing it to anyone. All right, we'll be doing it privately. So if you want to join me for the party tonight, here is the party. Live now on the music channel. Here we go. Whoops, daisy. There you go. Live now on the music channel. Let me pin up there. This is what we're doing later on tonight. Hopefully you'll join me for it. Should be a lot of fun. That's tonight. It's going to be a really good one tonight. Live tonight, the piano party in the pub. Come and join me. So we're about to make a lot of money. We've got 700 grand now, just under $700,000 invested, and it's time to take some profits. So if we look at XRP, we're up 15%. I am very happy to take that. very, very happy. Remember, the asset doesn't make any money, never will make any money. All right. You were never meant to buy it. We reported on that last week. You know what I'm talking about now, right? We've proven it to you. There's those on social media don't believe me, and that's up to them. Well, they'll keep just doing stupid stuff. We just keep winning. So there is a real issue here. So let's look at 15%, Ethereum 19%, Bitcoin 15%. As long as you always make more than 10% consistently over and over again, you're going to be as rich as you ever need to be, and you'll sleep well at night and you never have to worry. But what I'm really focusing on is not that. I want to stay in that until the whispers come out of the meeting on Saturday, Sunday. So we're not going anywhere with our crypto yet. So if you want the trades, if you want to get them, here is Discord and there is YouTube membership. All right, it's only a couple of bucks to join Discord. It'll never go up in price. There's no inflation. I don't make money out of Discord. I just do it to provide a service. I make money from investing. No inflation, no price increases. Join me on Discord. The links are in the chat. If you're watching on the phone, by the way, I know there's a separate stream on the phone, completely separate. How many people are watching me there? 14 of you on the phone. Can you see the little pin? It says for the main event, click on the icon. That is the icon, you know, and go to the channel. Click go to the channel, and then you'll find the main link for the main show. All right, right at the top, TV wide, it's called the mainstream. Okay, that's what you want if you want to join the big show. Okay, some people like to watch on the phone, and that's absolutely fine. But you just miss, you know, well, you see everything, but you see it tall. It's different, isn't it? So anyway, really exciting stuff. We're going to be trading over the weekend. Who's excited? I mean, how excited are we? How excited are we? But I'm keeping my eye on Nvidia. I don't want to go anywhere with this. Yeah, this is the power hour. Look at it. Now then, the choice. I mean, some people will say, and they were right, and they were wrong. They will say, Martin, you sold too early on Google. Well, we all know Google's going to keep going up. I work for Google. I know how much money Google make. I see my ad revenue going up. So we know Google's great. However, as it approaches its nearer and nearer target, remember, it's very expensive now, it will look to trim, and we've taken our profit, and we bought what's going down, not what's going up. We bought a Coca-Cola. And many of you go, oh, well, that's boring. Yeah, not really. Not really when you know where it's going. And I'm dead right. Look at it. You see what I mean? Coca-Cola done 1% in a day. Doesn't do 1% in a day. This is a defensive stock. That's because people are starting to trim quietly. And I've got $250,000 invested in Google, in Coca-Cola. Now, I still own Nvidia. I still own Google through VUG. I still own it through the S&P 500, but I've taken my, whatever it was, 20, 30% in like a month profit. Tax-free, remember, because I did it with my tax losses I posted earlier. Very clever. So anyway, look, we're making money tax-free, and we're building a defensive position because we want to be in a position when everything goes down. Now you can see it's still rallying. Look, Nvidia is going up right now. We're watching Nvidia move. You can bloody well see it. This is really interesting. As we go into the power hour, we're starting to see Nvidia go up and up and up. Now, it's got this resistance around 200. Everyone sees it. Everyone knows it. And we know it's going to break out. But when it breaks out, it'll go up really quickly and dump. And you can't do anything about it after 7 o'clock tonight. It's 20 to 3 in the afternoon. So we got 3.5 hours. No, we've got 4.5 hours, beg your pardon. 4 hours, 20 minutes. But it's very difficult to get the price you want overnight in the after hours because the liquidity's not there. So be careful. Make sure you set a limit order. If you just go sell, it could be like 10% out. I mean, right? But I am looking. I've got some buys and some sells lined up. My Discordians know what they are. My lecture members know what they are. We're not going to broadcast it. We don't put it on social media. All right, we're here to make money, not to lose it. All right, we're not here to get clicks. So we're watching that really, really closely. All right, but we're also, well, in fact, I don't even need to watch my Coca-Cola. I'm not bothered about that. That's only going up. And I don't want to sell it. All right, that's good. But let's go back to crypto a minute. We want to be in this for the weekend. So let's go to Q&A. Let's go to Q&A. Let's have a little chat because this is an exciting weekend. Let's see who was here. So we've got Churadezo. He will probably do another 10 facts. Not today. We're just chatting. We're just chatting. Hello, hello, hello. Nick Jones, how are you, Nick? Hello, everyone. Please hit the like button. It's free. That's right, Subwoofer. Thank you. Then hit subscribe. It's also free. It is. For main event, click icon and see homepage. Oh, that was me who posted that. Oh, yeah. Look, there it goes. Nvidia, keep your eye on it. Keep your eye on it. You don't want to take your eye off that at all tonight. Interesting turn of events, eh, Martin? Yeah, damn right, mate. Row Pro. Hello, Potato Family. Here he is. Happy Money Making Friday. Oh, yes. What a weekend. Hello, hello, hello. Peace through strength is being accomplished. Not exactly, high energy. You don't know all the facts, mate. We're finding out that Trump has just put the US in $50 billion worth more of debt to buy some of the what do you call it? Uranium back. They were going to get it for free, remember? Iran have won this war. Iran, right, have got more money, more control, more power than they've ever had. And it looks like Trump has given them $50 billion for their uranium. I mean, they just sold it. I mean, isn't that what drug dealers do? Let's create some nuclear stuff and then flog it to America. I mean, I thought we're supposed to negotiate our way out of it, not just pay for it. Anyway, let's see what happens. Plus the millions, billions, and maybe $1 trillion. I don't know what it's cost for the war. I mean, well, you wait and see. I 100% were pulling back. That's why I sold my Google. That's why I got deals all over the place. You think I'm just blindly thinking we're going up and up forever and ever and ever? No. There's people already. I mean, this morning I did a live stream showing you the people that are selling. Trump's selling. Behind the scenes, his mates are selling. Institutions are selling. CEOs that I'm speaking to are selling. This is not a free party. Retail is going to get absolutely, totally destroyed. 100%. 100%. But not the Discordians. Don't worry. Not the Electrum members. Not the YouTube members. Not us. Not me. We're already trimming. So peace through strength. Well, not really. They just paid for it. So anyway, look at the picture of who's at the White House. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. What do you mean? Look at the picture. You can't share pictures. What do you mean? There's a little chatter going on behind closed doors, and that's the Clarity Act has made a deal. All right, there is no information to support that. You're not one of our members. That's not. You're making up stuff. I've got a direct link to the White House press room contact. We do not have a deal done. You're just making up stuff because you want to try to encourage everyone to buy XRP. We are in XRP, but we don't chase it. All right, we don't do stuff like that. So good luck with that, but it's not what we do. So, don't encourage people to go and buy stuff they shouldn't be buying. It's just not on. What is that?
I can't believe this.
Oh, hello. We got new members just come in. Thank you very much. 1970 Buckley is donating memberships for those that are subscribed and engaging. High energy, I'm with you, bro. I think they already have made... No, that's not true. That's not true. Selling XRPs now is like selling Bitcoin. No.
I can't believe this.
Don't agree with that. You're making stuff up. There's no evidence to support it at all. Same sandwich, different plate. I went to Barnes & Noble today and asked the girl behind the counter if they had Trump's new book on deporting migrants. Her reply was, get that and don't come back. I said, yeah, that's the one.
I can't believe this.
I'll give you that, mate. That's quite funny. I'll give you that. We're giving memberships away. 1970 Buckley has donated 5 memberships. And just right on cue, there goes Nvidia. Right on cue. Okay, there it goes. We're watching it. We know what we're going to do. We're going to make money. Remember, until you sell, you don't make any money at all. Let's keep our eye. Portfolio with nearly 700 grand now, nearly 750,000. Remember, I started at 5,000. It's really cooking on gas now. Look, I'll show you. It's moving quickly, exactly as predicted again. Martyn was right again. Look, here's my full net worth now. Look at this. This is all my margin, all my cash, everything. There it is on the screen. 686,888. Lucky number that, by the way, for the Chinese. There you go. We're nearly at 700 grand now. We're not going to lose it. We're not giving it away. We got to compound it so we can start to trim. Right, that's real profit, real money. All right, we're not messing around. Okay, let's go, baby. Any dips from here, you better buy. Again, one of our members encouraging people to buy after we've already bought a 20% lower position. That is really bad advice. Makes no sense coming from a member. Do not listen to that. That's rubbish. Anyone who's been in crypto since 2017, 2020 hasn't made money, needs to find a new hobby. Relax. We're about to see crypto boom like we have never seen. Things are different now, though, high energy. You can't just keep saying it's going up and up forever. There are so many people on social media now creating so much nonsense about such ridiculous numbers, and they don't know what they don't know. I'm telling you, I speak to Ripple, I speak to the banks, and they think the XRP army is... I don't want to tell you what they think, right? They don't think like you think at all. Brad Garlinghouse definitely doesn't. Time to hit the road. I'll listen to that live chat as I drive. Thank you, VZ. I wish you the best, but I think you're making some mistakes here, mate, telling everyone to buy on the way up. Really is. Drive safe, yeah. Sell the news. It's classic stuff, really, isn't it? Classic stuff. Let me come back to here again. There we go. Let's bring up bar crypto. Keep our eye on it. Go ahead. Sell for chump change. Buyers will be stepping in. Chump change? Chump change, VZ. I've gone from 5,000 to nearly 700 grand. You're absolutely right, mate. I don't know how to make money. You're absolutely right. I'm going to gamble it all on advice from a member who's what the hell are you talking about? Good afternoon, Cameron Griffin. Hi, everyone. Here's Liz. How you doing, Liz? Good afternoon, William Myers. What's this here? Like I told Crypto Banter, betting against us this morning as he was shorting. I never short the market, ever. Ever. Never short the market. Drive safe, that's right. The guy went short, yes. Shorters always lose. They always win some battles, but they always lose the war. I don't know why anyone ever shorts the market. It's bloody stupid. He paid with his portfolio. That just goes to show you spot buying and holding for a long time is safer. I wouldn't just say buying and doing nothing. No, absolutely not. We've proven that over and over again. By repositioning, by tax harvesting, by using lots, you can grow money without even earning it. So that's not true. Not seeing a YouTube post about Nvidia. Not seeing a YouTube post about Nvidia. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? Hi, Martyn. I'm an Electra member. Ain't seen nothing about Nvidia. Oh, I see. Oh, you're talking about... Oh, I see. Because I haven't made the trade yet. Oh, I see. You're referring to the post about the order. Oh, I see. Yeah, I haven't posted. I beg your pardon. I apologise to all Electrum members. I haven't put the post yet because I haven't taken the screenshot yet. All right. We were having an on-stage event today discussing it in Discord. We were breaking down the prices and so on. You haven't missed anything. All Electrum members, I haven't placed the order yet. And I've got it all ready to go, though. And I'll take a screenshot and I'll share it with you. So I apologize for confusing you there. I got myself confused. I haven't posted the numbers yet. Okay. I'll do it in a second because I haven't actually formally made the trade yet. Okay, I've just set it up. Okay, I'm just thinking now. Should I do it now? Should I do it now? Hang on. Electra members, we don't want anyone to get left behind. I haven't created the order. What's the time now? Yeah, half an hour ago. Okay, let me put it on Electrum. Beg your pardon. You're absolutely right. Okay, here we go. This is what we're doing. Okay, here we go. This is what I'm doing. I apologize for confusing anybody. And this last thing I want to do. So, Electrum members, I'm posting my trade. Whoops-a-daisy. I never shared the screenshot. Okay, I haven't shared this screenshot on Discord either. Just so you know, we had an on-stage event and we discussed it. Right, so there it goes. There it goes, look. Okay, watch it. Keep your eye on crypto as well. We've got 10 minutes to go. So I'm going to share this now. I apologize for confusing anyone. I've not shared it on Discord. We just had a conversation about it. All right, so let me do it now. So let me go into... Are we still in... Yeah, we're still in normal hours. So it will be on Martyn's trades on Discord and on Electrum. So I apologize again for confusing anyone there. I apologize for that. Orders. Okay. Copy. Alrighty then. Okay. Can everyone tap the like they've seen it on Discord, please? It's gone there. And now I'm going to share it on Electrum as well. Again, I apologize for confusing anyone. I was telling everybody I shared it and I haven't done it yet because I haven't created the post yet. That's all. Okay, here we go. This is what I'll be doing. This is what I'm looking for the weekend. Well, I'm looking forward to 7 o'clock tonight because obviously the market's closed. Yeah, it's running. Okay, stand by. Electrum members, please don't share this. This is for our community alone. We don't want it being shared. We don't post on social media. We're not trying to get clicks. We don't want everyone to follow us. This is our own trades. This is why we always win. We're not like those idiots who go, oh, I'm going to do all this. And then the whole social media, the whole algorithm, it tracks it all. We don't do stuff like that. Okay, done. All right, UK investor and Donda, can you confirm I've shared that? That's really important to me that you've got that. And then give it a like so I know you've seen it as well. Okay, you done that? Just posted it. Okay. Okay, good. That's that done. Thank you to the guys on Discord. You're already doing it. Okay, let's keep our eye on it. Keep our eye on crypto. So here we go. Donda, you can let me know if you've seen it now. UK investor. He didn't yet. No, that's right. It's done. We had a discussion about it. Liz was there. Think now he will. Yes, all done. XRP. Yep, absolutely right. We're watching it. We're paying close attention to it. And we're definitely going to make some money. Yeah. Thank you, Liz. Appreciate your help, support. Really great. It's like asking 10-year-old what will happen. It's like asking 10-year-old what will happen. What do you mean? You should look at D-Wave best quantum computing ever. Is that right? I don't agree with that. I think IonQ is far superior. Heck yes. Bought Coca-Cola. Go Nvidia. Yes. Here he is. Vaz is here. Hey at Banana Heads. Chill day for me. Sorry I cannot be with you today or tomorrow. Yeah, we all miss Vaz. We miss Sensei. We miss Casey. It's just me, folks. Just me. It's the best anyway, isn't it? Let's be fair. Right. I'm only joking. Slim Jim. Well, I'm not really. Not really. Afternoon, Martyn. Yes, Vaz. We're all good, mate. Where are you moving Nvidia profits to? We're going to just pay off margin. We're not moving it anywhere. We're just going to save ourselves 4%. All right. Work issues. Work all weekend. Thrilled. Yeah, I bet he is. 50 bazillion. 3D Trump chess. 3D Trump chess. Good. Oh, I see where you're going. Good money making Friday to all. Now, 1970 Buckley just gave you all a membership. If you just want a membership, what you should go and do now is upgrade it to Electrum. You'll say, oh, look at it go. Oh, look at it go. Oh, Nvidia. Oh, exactly on cue, folks. Exactly on cue. There you go. The closer it gets to 7, I'll make some adjustments. I do not want to be having Donald Trump and his inside mates, right, selling and moving the market and losing the opportunity. That's what they're already doing. You've no idea what you don't know. And I am not going to give my money away. Not a chance in bloody hell, right? Yeah. Hello, says MW. How you doing? Lots of new members here this afternoon. We had Rise last. You won a membership. You can now see all the members only events, all the members only live streams. You can get all my trades 24/7. You can leave comments on videos, get replies from me. Personally, I do them every day. Just me, no AI, no robots, no secretary. It's just me. XRP Fanatic, you also want a membership. You can see all my trades. I mean, all you got to do now is upgrade to Electrum and you get everything. Slim Jim, I thought Slim was a member. He just won a membership. How did you manage that? Did you cancel? Doug Grow, Eduardo won, and I'm driving, I'm listening. I'm using the microphone. I like it. Nice guy, Alex. Thank you, I think. Yeah, there we go. We're watching it. You've no idea what you don't know. I know people who are going to sell this. This guy, not even a real American, talking about the White House. Yeah. You're not allowed, apparently, according to Huggy Bear Rock, I'm not allowed to talk about the White House because I'm not an American. Okay, well, I've got a green card and I'm about to get my citizenship. So I will be an American. I'll be an American as much as American as you. And maybe more so, actually, because my family heritage goes back hundreds and hundreds of years and when we first came to America. So thanks for saying I can't talk about, that's very welcoming, isn't it? You can't talk about the White House. You're from England. What do you know? You're an idiot. Okay, fair enough. My education, I went all the way, but I'm obviously an idiot. Hello from fellow humans. Hello, Terry. Joseph. Hi, Martin. How you doing, mate? 1970 Buckley. Slim Jim. Yeah, give her a big shout out. Slim, now you can upgrade to Electrum for like 27% discount or thereabouts. It's about 25, 20, I don't know. Anyway, selling what? Selling what? I can't tell you, not a member. It's like playing chess with a pigeon. Lands on the checkerboard, throws all the pawns, shits on the board, and then flies away just to land a bit further to walk around majestically. That's great. That is the best quote of the day. I love it. I love that. Here we go. That is the best quote of the day. You ready? It's like playing chess with a pigeon. Lands on a checkerboard. Lands on a checkerboard, right? Throws all the pawns, shits on the board, then flies away just to land a bit further down to walk around majestically like he's won. Absolutely. Let's be absolutely clear, right? How exactly have we won anything? We've spent billions, if not trillions of dollars blowing up stuff, made no difference to the nuclear stuff. We've then paid to buy the nuclear stuff. So Iran are going, yeah, give me 50 billion. You can buy it off me. No problem at all. So we've paid for the war. We paid for the uranium. Iran have got more money and more power. Oh yeah, we've blown up all their stuff. That doesn't matter. They're more emboldened. They've got deals now being done. It's all with them that they never had before. How exactly have we won anything? I don't know how anyone interprets it. The stock market crashed, so a few people who know what they're doing, us. So thank you. I will give you that. We all made money out of it. That's true. We did. We all made money out of it. Definitely. Because when the market went down, we all bought it. But most people who didn't know what they were doing, they lost all their money. A lot of people lost all their money. They didn't know what they were doing. All right? Most people lost money. And those that are on a pension had their pensions like go down by 20%. So a lot of people didn't do very good, actually. You know, but, you know, what do I know? Yeah, I don't know anything. Yeah, it's a bit funny, really. Anyway, I'm not quite sure how exactly we won. People with money won, right? But a lot of dead people as well. They didn't win anything. So I don't know. Anyway, maybe we did. Maybe I missed it. Maybe blowing up stuff means you win. I don't know. Now, no one is friends with the United States. Everyone says stuff it. We're going our own. I don't know. Is it really good? I don't know. Just went live on the XRP ledger. Realfi. Thank you, Koji. I can't confirm that. Power hour. 2 minutes to go. Look at it go. I'm loving it. Slim Jim. Thank you, Aubrey. Hang on. I'm going to do something unusual. How much am I up now? How long have we got? 2 minutes. Yeah, Coca-Cola being sold again. That means it's about to be bought. Okay. I'm watching. That's bloody annoying. My screen just closed on me. That is really bloody annoying. Right in the last seconds. I wanted to ring the bell, but my bloody clock broke on me. Bear with me. I'm just about to do some trades here, and the bloody... Let's pay close attention. The bell's just gone. Let's ring the bell. For a massive weekend. Let's have a look. I'm keeping my eye on this. I'm not going to lose my bloody money. I'm not going to give it to some politician who just takes it all off me. So what are we seeing? How much money? Yeah, I'm looking at this. All goes back up. Tony, even Tilray. Oh God, don't talk to me about Tilray brands. It's a bloody comedy routine. Might have a look at D-Wave Quantum Computer at its finest. Sorry, mate, I've got to focus on the members. I'm afraid. I prefer IonQ. No 50 billion payment. Trump explicitly denied that money would change hands to secure it. Explicitly denied that money would change hands to secure Iranian uranium. Refuting reports that a deal worth 20 billion being... well, I've got a direct link, mate. And I've got a text. And that is not the truth. I'm telling you, you can think what you want. I don't, you obviously like Trump, and that's fine. I'm not here to judge. I'm not for or against Trump. I'm just here to make money. And I know for a fact that is not true, right? Money has changed hands, and that's all there is to it. So you can believe what you want, and that's absolutely fine. I don't judge you for that. But I have it from the horse's mouth that that's not true. So money has changed hands. Just started my $5,000 journey to 1 million. Let's go. RV, good luck to you, mate. It's easy to make money. The hard part's to keep it. That's the bit that everyone gets wrong. Just arrived. Select XRP or hold. No, we're going to keep it to the weekend. I'll tell you that now. We want to be involved over the weekend. We do not want to be selling now. We want to be able to trade into that meeting. I heard Iran denied selling uranium to America. Yeah, a lot of people heard all sorts of stuff. Well, you can believe what you want, but I've actually had it from the horse's mouth, and I know what I know. So that's why I'm selling and I'm doing what I'm doing. You see for yourself, right? So I'm sure Trump's going to say, I never said anything. I never did anything. Well, that's fine. There you go. Look at that. Look, boom. Straight down, 0.5% gone. Look how quickly that's going to move. This could go all over the place. I've made my mind up. I know what I must do. I know what I must do. I'm not listening to Donald Trump telling me what I think I should do. I know what he's doing. I know exactly what he's doing. So I know exactly what I must do. So I'm doing this live on the show, so it's going to happen live. So if anyone screenshots it, they'll win 100 Luca coins for sharing it. I know what I must do. I know what the right thing to do is. Okay, I've just sold all my Nvidia. There you go. I've done it. I've sold all my Nvidia. I made a small fortune. I'm very happy. I've sold it all. But I've still got it in VUG, and I've still, if you just screenshot that and post that onto Discord, you'll win 100 Luca coins. So yeah, I've sold all my Nvidia. I made a lot of money, tax-free, because I already posted the losses. And I'll show you what I mean. If I show you my realized profit and gain, if I go to year-to-date, there you go. You can see the gain I've made, but I don't pay any tax because on paper, I lost money even though I won. See that, look? I lost $6,000 on paper, but I actually made money. So there we go. That was tax-free in my brokerage account, and now we are safe. And now we've got, I don't know why I'm showing, why am I showing on my phone? I just use the computer. Now I've got my buying power, $52,000. I've got plenty of money to buy over the weekend on any movement whatsoever. I've reduced my margin by a huge amount. Yeah, Leah will be very happy with that. I made a ton of money. I'm still holding it in VU and VUG. But there you go. I've no idea why I'm showing you on my phone. I was like, what is the point of that? So that trade earlier that I put, I've already done it because I'm getting some information that CEOs are selling as well. So I just took some profit. I'm not interested in what this thing about didn't spend $50 billion. Yes, they did. So there we go. There is my XRP. There's my portfolio. I'm up on it. You can see, what you're going to see now is you're going to see Coca-Cola start to go up. Look, you see? You see that? People are taking money out of Nvidia and they're going to buy Coca-Cola. So I've sold it. I do not want to be giving my money away because someone's telling me that we won and everything's great. And right, it's absolutely not the case. It's cost America billions and billions of dollars, and we will not get the Fed to know what to do with this. So as you can see, Nvidia is coming down now. I'll be very, very careful if I was you. You're going to see it go into Coca-Cola, right? This is my portfolio, and I'm up again, look, 8.5 grand. I've got 52 grand of buying power again. My wife will be very happy about that. That saves me 4%. See, it's not the right thing for everyone because Nvidia is going higher, but I already own it through VUG and VU. I think someone told me today I have like $30,000 of it through those ETFs. So I'm not exactly out of it. But at the same time, I've just saved 4%. My margin has come dramatically down and I don't need to buy anything. There's nothing worth buying now, right? I mean, I could buy Coca-Cola with that, but I'm not going to. I'll buy Coca-Cola if it drops 2%, but it's not going to. People are going to buy that now. You just watch. See if I'm right. Who is your connection at Ripple? There's not a chance in hell I'm going to tell you here. I'm sorry. I do not give you my sources at all. If you don't want to believe me, that's absolutely fine. And it's fair enough. But I don't share my sources, who I talk to at all. It's up to you whether you believe me or not. Okay. I hear the billions of Iran would be frozen in Iranian assets. Does that really affect our debt then? I hear the billions to Iran would be frozen Iranian assets. Cameron, I don't really know the answer to that question. I honestly don't know. I'll give it some thought though. Good evening from the UK.
I can't believe this.
At Stephen Huntington Q2J has become a member. Donald Trump is the greatest president ever.
Thank you very much, Stephen Huntington. Everyone can share their thoughts live on the show. Absolutely love it. Please do. Feel free. Hello, everyone. PK, I don't know what that means. Yes. That's a bit silly, really. Anyway, the XRP goons always come out of hibernation when it's going up. Yeah, I know. Everyone comes out and says buy when it goes up. No one said buy when it was going down, though, did they? Just the idiots, just us idiots. We were buying the asset they think so great when it went down, and that's why we're making so much money. But apparently now it's the time to buy it because it's going up. I mean, that's absolutely, the absurdity of that is ridiculous. Friday night dinner, says Kazansky. We need Phoenix making money. That's a super chat worth doing, isn't it? Yes, we're all making money. Everyone's making money. Let's do it. Let's do the Phoenix. Everyone is making money. We got 2 songs for you. XRP. The official XRP song. We got the song and the video, but that's not what you asked for. What you asked for was this.
The year is 1991.
All right.
And people are living together in
Sold Nvidia. Another sell. RealFi just went live on XRP. I don't know about that. I don't know why you keep saying it. You have a, remember, I bought back in 2020. Okay. I mean, I've been investing since I was 17. I'm 57. So what's that? 40 years. So you're not the only one who's been investing for a while, mate. Guys, I think VCCat is also a permabull. XRP from Discord. Same rhythm, too many words. Says Starlight. I don't know. If the Clarity Act is coming and you actually think the crypto is down on the stock market, pumped, that doesn't look juicy to come into the crypto right now. I don't understand a word of that. Down goes Nvidia. It's starting to fall off. I've already sold it. I've protected my money. You're trying to read people's minds. That's not my perspective. I'm not trying to read anyone's minds. Doobie shoot do. Where's the super chat? Background noise. No, actually, watch charts. I buy low. Too many words. Just take profits. The guy said it was going to go down on crypto banter. Good evening. Hiya, Karen. How you doing, Karen? Lovely to have you here. Karen's in the house. How are you, Karen? Good evening, Tony Smith. We're all making money. I agree. You should take profit on the way up. Don't think I haven't been doing that. Good luck to you, mate. Big chillin'. What happens if Nvidia hits your target? What happens? Nothing. I'm still making money. I'll always make money. If you can make 13% in like a week, do it. It's not rocket science. What happens if Nvidia doesn't hit your target? It doesn't matter, does it? I've just sold it. I see it. Thank you. Yes. Great stuff. Financial reset. What I'm trying to say is I think the rotation is going to go from stocks into crypto right now. I don't agree. Is that the full bag of Nvidia? Yes. All gone. Boom. The whole kit and caboodle. The lonely man, Terry, Mr. Hulk. I've seen you before here for a while, and I think he was misinterpreted that you were trying to make people buy. You're being a bit... Nick Jones. What's up, everyone? Hello, Anointed Flowers. XRP to Million, Rodney. Yeah, okay. All right. We'll just see. I'm just chilling, waiting for my wife. I love it. That is why the channel is called Martyn Lucas Investor, because Martyn Lucas is always here. Always. It's fair comment. I'm watching the XRP 5 minutes as I wait here. I had to upgrade my phone, Martyn. I'm good now. Oh, there you go, Slim. I had to upgrade my phone. I'm all good now, Martyn. There you go. Code word. First rule of the White House. Don't talk about the White House. That's right. Don't talk about the White House. You're not allowed to. You're not from America. You're not American. I don't think so, unless you're a native American. Oh my God. What do you think? Hang on a minute. Hang on. I gotta cover this. I don't think so. Unless you're a native American like I am. What are you on about? Hang on a minute. Huggy Bear Rock says, you can't talk about the White House because you're not American. And I went, well, I kind of am sort of, because I'm getting my citizenship, so that makes me American. And he's gone and said, I don't think so, unless you're a native American like I am. What does that exactly mean? Because all the Americans that are Americans today basically came from England anyway. So what do you mean exactly when you say Native American? Unless you were a Native American, as in the Indian, the Cherokee and the Sioux and all that lot. Are you one of them? Maybe one of them. And you're right. I haven't been here that long. I'm only 57, but you know, isn't America made up of immigrants? I mean, I don't know. Didn't we all come from England apart from the native Indians? Didn't we? I don't know. Isn't that what America is? I don't know. Am I not welcome anymore? Get out of my country and don't talk about the White House. Well, wasn't the White House, that wasn't built by the Native Americans, was it? Didn't they try to burn it down? I don't know. Just be nice. Can't you just be nice? American was founded by Brits, you stupid. Yeah. Yeah, it's hilarious. He said, you're not American unless you're a Native American. And then this guy says, American was founded by Brits, you stupid dolt. That's right. I mean, oh God. What another nonsense, isn't it? XRP is at 149, trying to break out of resistance. Thanks, love the info. Thank you, mate. You're welcome. The Sky needs to go check in with King Charles. The Sky, that doesn't even make sense. The Sky needs to go check in with King Charles. That literally doesn't even make sense. How does that even make sense? Anyway, order out of chaos. Chaos to order, as they say. You look for logic. Well, yeah, common sense would be good. At this world, Liz, yeah, we like common sense, don't we? We won because Hainar and Iran were coming. That doesn't even make sense either. I tell you what, I love these people who are coming on here saying stupid stuff. Look, we won because Hainar and Iran were corning in Middle East and killing petrodollar. China is gone full. That doesn't even make sense. You're showing the world, look, yes, we did, that we won. And then you're coming out with sentences like that, which don't even make bloody sense. Okay, let's have a comment that actually makes sense. Star guest on the show. Oh, God, I hope this one makes sense, because the last one was stupid.
Cheetah tipped $9.99 through Super Chat.
Okay.
Appreciate the info like always, Martin. I don't have after hours on one trading institution I use, so I only got rid of half my Nvidia. Hopefully it doesn't drop 20% before Monday's opening bell.
I hope it doesn't. To be honest with you, Max Cheetah, Nvidia is going higher. Right? Nvidia, I've given it a price target of 250. I've given it a price target of 250. The banks are saying 300. Yes, it's going higher. That doesn't mean to say I have to hold it, because as it goes higher, everyone starts to sell it and it'll go lower. Okay? I'm just happy making about 15, 20%, what was it, 16% in like 2 weeks. I mean, I'm happy with that. And remember, I'm paying 4% interest to do it. So it's another 4% I've just saved by not doing it. And the point is, because of the way institutions and the money works, it's already trimming out of the market. It's already happening. You won't even see it. It'll just suddenly be there. So it's like Google has gone higher since I sold it, but I used the money to buy more of VU and VUG, which were better value. I also bought then Coca-Cola. So it's not like I've just taken my money and spent it on a new car or something. I've simply sold it for a great big profit. I've paid no tax on it because I had losses already built in, so it was free. Okay, so that was great. And then on top of that, I used the money to reduce my margin and save 4%. It's a win-win, right? And if it wasn't a win-win, why am I up $8,000 today? That's what's important, right? Anyway, so Mex China, it can definitely go up higher. Don't get upset if tomorrow it's at 220. I don't care, because the higher it goes, the more profit will be taken to buy Coca-Cola, which is what I'm buying. Remember, this is a game of chess. You're always moving for the next move. I'm not bothered about Nvidia. I'm not bothered about, what do you call it? Google. I'm bothered about making money. I'm bothered about you guys making money. And as long as we're making money, it doesn't matter, does it? I'm not married to the stock. I mean, Jensen Huang's not going to come round my house and thank me for owning the shares, is he? Of course he's bloody not, right? All I want to do is make money so I can take care of my wife. That's all I want to do. And I want you all to do the same. So we won because Hainar in Iran were cornering the Middle East and killing petrol. China is gone, fool. China is gone, fool. Well, I'm not the fool. You're the one talking bloody rubbish. What do you mean China is gone? China's flipping growth has just gone up 5%. China's booming at the moment. It's growing again. What do you mean China is gone, fool? I mean, oh, God. Why do people just want to... Why do people want the world to see how stupid they are? I don't know. Nvidia cracked the 200. It did. It did. Martin is awesome. Thank you, Song for Space. Go check with your king. King Charles. What do you mean go check? What do you mean go check with my king? I'll just ring him up. You know there's like 8 million people in England. People in America always say that to me. They go, do you know the king? And I go, well, what do you mean do I know the king? Do you know Donald Trump? Well, England's it's in London, isn't it? Well, London's the capital of England, of the United Kingdom, yeah, but there's 78 million people, and I don't pop round the King's house to see him on a Sunday afternoon. Oh, You look surprised by that fact. You look surprised. Well, I thought you'd know the king. Do you go and visit Donald Trump on a regular basis? I mean, why would you assume that I would know the king? So Huggy Bear Rock, great name, by the way. Why would I go and check with the king? What am I going to ring him up and say, "Oi, King Charles"? I feel like I missed the important part. Sorry, I'm at work. Why are you selling Nvidia? Too late now, mate. Too late now, Chris. Meanwhile, EU has been invaded by radical. Oh dear. Okay, we're not gonna be horrible, are we? There's some bad people. Do you know what? You know when you say radical Muslims, right? Like that all Muslims are bad. You know that people like Ted Bundy, the Oklahoma bomber. There's lots of bad people in America. Ooh, American, right? Loads of bad people running around doing bad stuff. It doesn't mean you're not a bad person because you're from the third world or you're from England or you're a Muslim, are you? You're a bad person because you're a bad person. There's bad people everywhere, right? So don't just go, oh yeah, it's all the Muslims. I mean, come on, let's be nice. Don't blame them. You know, just there's bad people everywhere. Every day, people shoot each other. Is it like six murders every day in Chicago? Gun violence every single day. Is every single one a Muslim? I'm probably guessing, probably not. But anyway, I'm just guessing. Is it gonna be a crypto weekend pump time? Yeah. But we've taken some profit out so we can do something about it. Right? Can you see? Look, Nvidia, it's going down now. I sold it. People went, why are you doing that? Well, it's going down now and I sold it higher. So I'm happy. And now I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I've got more money than I've ever had. So that's what we're doing. While Starmer sells out and destroys his country, I can't comment. I've got no idea. I don't know anything about Starmer. I'm down like 30%. Yeah, me. I'm still down on crypto overall, mate. I'm like you. Yeah. I'm still overall. I am. Yeah. I've made money on individual trades, but overall, I'm like you, mate. Yeah, look at this. This is my overall position. Look, there's my crypto. Oh, look, you might go, oh, yeah, you're making loads of money. No, I'm not. I'm not making loads of money. Rubbish. I've made no money on crypto yet. Look. All. There you go. I'm down 18%. I'm down $10,000. I'm not bothered at all. I'm definitely going to make double that. I'm definitely going to make double that. But I'm still down overall. Don't just believe everything's going to keep going up because it just doesn't, right? Got to make sure you protect your money. Anyway, this Baldy is a fool. Thank you very much. There's nothing like being called a fool from someone who's just being rude, is there? It's like the best compliment you could get. This Baldy is a fool. You do know I've gone, in my education, I went all the way, right? How far do you want to go? That's how far I went. So I've got 4 successful YouTube channels. I've toured every country of the world. I've done everything I've ever wanted to do, but you're right. I probably am a fool. I am. In fact, it probably goes with the territory. You're right. I'm an idiot. And I've gone from $5,000 to nearly 700 grand on my portfolio. So I'm bloody good at being a fool, I reckon. In fact, fool's good. I like it. Closed. The markets are closed. Oh, hello. Special guest. Let's read this out. What we got here?
At Stephen Huntington Q2J tipped $10 through Super Chat. I sent you a message today in regards to XRP. Just want to confirm you're not selling until 5.00. Also, thanks.
When you say you sent me a message, where did you send me a message? I only get messages on Discord. You can't text me, phone me, email me, pigeon post me. Just Discord and just my premium members. All right. So what do you mean you messaged me? Tell me what you mean. But no. I might trim on the way up if conditions dictate. I mean, Stephen, are you a member on Discord or Electrum? Because I'll post it as I'm doing it. You'll see I'm doing it. You won't miss it. I mean, I just posted that I was going to sell Nvidia, but I decided to do it before. I'm happy with that. But I'll keep you updated, mate. Are you on Discord or are you on Electrum? Can somebody donate me a membership? Not a chance, mate. With you talking like a bloody idiot, no one's going to give you... Why would anyone give you a membership? You keep being rude. Can someone... And if you're so bloody clever and you know everything, how come you can't afford $2 to be... It's like $1.99. How come... No, it's not. It's $2.99. How come you can't afford a membership? Oh, I'm really smart and everybody's stupid. But can everybody give me a membership? There's not one person here who actually makes money that can't afford to buy a membership. It's funny that, isn't it? It's always the ones that talk bloody stupid go, could someone give me a membership? Oh, God. 3, 2, 1. Trying to upgrade now. Oh, are you? What, to Electrum? Oh, yeah. Well, you just won a membership, so you get like 20% off, don't you? Relax. Up a few cents. Chill out. What do you mean up a few cents? Nvidia's up thousands of percent from where it was. What do you mean a few cents? Few cents today in the last 5 minutes, but thousands of percent. It's 40 times earnings. There are, and you know what happens next in 2 weeks' time when the earnings happens, don't you? There are expectations that the S&P index will decline if it reaches 7.3. According to expert Lee, oh, you mean Tom Lee? Remember, Tom Lee is a bloody paid commercial. He wears his bloody granny shots and his ETF, his Ethereum ETF on his bloody jacket. And every prediction he's made for the last 12 months, every single one has been wrong. Every single one has been wrong. End of the year, $200,000. End of Bitcoin. End of January, $100,000, back to $100,000. End of February. End of March. Just keeps making it up. We are the champions, my friend. Yes, we are, mate. Zach Zeit. Is this live, Big O? Is this live, Martyn? Well, the clock's on the screen. Just look at your clock. I'm not buying more XRP until 50 cents. That's a very sensible way of looking at it. You know what coin and crypto were cringing about is the coin rave I watched in at $2, and I joked to my friend, it's going to go to $10, and it did. And then it went to 20. Well, you're a bloody genius then. That's what you are. Brilliant. It was a day of trimming. Rubbish. No whiskey shot yesterday or no sound on Super Chat. What do you mean? Rubbish on whiskey shot yesterday. No, no. I'll make up for it tonight, mate. I'll make up for it tonight on the music channel. How about that? That coin came out of nowhere. Seems all right. Why don't you try and take over the show, VZ? You're not even a member. I'm going to go members only. This is not your show, mate. It doesn't belong to you. It belongs to me. I hope we're not going to be political tonight. We're not a political channel. What are you on about? Hang on. I can't keep doing your comments, VZ. It's not your channel, mate. Right? It's my bloody... When I last looked, this was my channel, and I'm trying to talk to my members, and you're doing comment after comment. It's not your show. Anyway, I can't turn it into your show. Says my purchase can't be done. Oh. What have you done, Slim? I don't know. I even made a ton of Microsoft. Everybody crapped on Microsoft. I can't read another VZ cat. You've had too many. I bought 2,000 worth of Crow and XLM this morning. Wasn't the worst investment. Congratulations to you. Pack openings. Selling what? Crypto or stock? Well, I'm trimming all sorts, mate. Trimming all sorts. I just did it live on the show. Okay. I'm not doing any more comments from you. Sold all to congratulations This Way Gaming. It makes perfect sense. Bloody hell. Free money, innit? Okay. Revved Up Biker. Here he is. If someone is up 6,000% and you don't sell, you'll lose all that potential profit that's currently there. Take it and bank it. You got 6,000% and you don't sell, then you're a flipping lunatic. I mean, if someone offered you 6,000% above the price of your car or your house, would you sell it? I mean, 6,000%. Of course you bloody would. I just made like 20% and I'm happy with that. All right. Okay. Why are you selling your Nvidia? Well, I've still got it in VU. I've still got it in VUG. I've just made some free money. It was because the valuation's off and because Trump's pumped the market to dump it on Monday. Guaranteed. Bloody-teed. Stu has just donated 5 memberships. Look at that. Another 5 memberships been donated. This is your chance now to get Electrum for like 20% discount. Please, thanks, Stu. This is amazing. Buddy,
I can't believe this.
Buddy, you're so clueless about the war. Am I? Probably. Thank you for sharing with me. You know I've never lost on a trade, right? You know all my predictions have been spot on, right? Every single one. My price targets have been right. My trades have been right. I mean, it's fair enough. You know, you can.
I can't believe this.
Another new member. You can say I'm clueless. You know, you can say what you want, and that's perfectly fine, right? But I started at $5,000 4 years ago. I've now got 685,000. So you're probably right. I don't know what I'm talking about, and that's fair enough. I probably just made this up.
I can't believe this.
I've got a really good app. I've got like a Photoshop or something. Did Starmer brief you? Yeah, he's always phoning me up. Yeah, did he phone? He probably phoned you first by the sound of things because you're talking bloody nonsense. You are. Love freedom. What freedom? You're just talking stupid. Right? Did Starmer brief me?
I can't believe
CPI's Monday. Yes. Another new member. That's Crown. You just won a membership. Ocean. Steve. We read that one out. I'm down with individual stocks for now. Index, too risky. Songs for space, mate. You'll get there. Don't worry. Salesforce stocks. What about it?
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. Another new member. Oh my God. It's 3:30. I've got my music show to do. I agree, Martin. In my current position, I am not looking to buy anymore. I have still a bit of cash and I can raise some more funds, but I am positioned to what I need and best as I could. Spot on, Vaz. Waiting for the next move. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Hi, Martin. How you doing, Anointed Flowers? The audacity of it. Ted Starlight. What? You can't just go the audacity and say nothing. What does that mean? Nvidia better be at 300 before next. I hope it is for your sake. I hope it is as well. You know why, right? I mean, you do. This is what I don't understand. People are going to go, I know what's going to be said. Martin Lucas, he's an idiot. He just sold all his Nvidia. And now it's going to 300. Oh, he lost all his money. No, I made about $6,500 tax-free, actually. And I'm up on it. And if it goes to 300, what happens? Whoa, you miss out. No, I don't. I've still got VU, which is 6% or 6% of the of Nvidia. And you know that I've still got VUG. Oh, that doesn't count. What do you mean it doesn't count? 13% of VUG is Nvidia. Oh, you probably haven't got very much anyway. Well, what do you mean I haven't got very much anyway? In X% Nvidia, I've got $156,000. So I think I've got a bit of Nvidia, right? Let's go into VUG. Oh, I bet you haven't got much in VUG, right? Well, I've got $165,000 of VUG. 13% of that is Nvidia. So when you say that I've sold it all out and now it's going to go to 300 and I'm going to miss out, how exactly am I going to miss out? I've just trimmed, taken profit and banked the 4% interest on it. So anyway, I hope it does go to 300. All right. I hope it bloody does. But I don't need to sell the ETF, just the individual, and I've just done it. Made a killing this last 3 weeks. Yes, mate. What did you invest in when you were 17? I don't bloody remember. Why are you asking me that? At 17, I used to trade with Barclays Bank. And you're asking me, oh, actually, I can remember. I bought British Telecom. I always remember that. That was my first shares. Yeah, I bought British Telecom about 40 years ago. But why does that matter? Not you, Martyn, was arguing with me. Oh, was he? You argue back, mate. You sort him out. These non-members, they talk bloody stupid. Penny Harris. Hello, Penny Harris. How are you? I've not spoken to you for a while. Penny, one of my gold members, aren't you? How are you? Good evening. What are you thinking about Netflix? I wouldn't buy Netflix. There's nothing proprietary, unique about it. Prefer YouTube. Yeah, it's too expensive. Oh, it's gone down 10%. It needs to go down 50%. It's too expensive. Why do you think no one's bought it? Anyway. Ha ha, I'm not arguing. I'm just talking crypto. You need to relax. I'm perfectly fine, mate. XRP to the moon. Yes, I know. It's going to go to $10,000, isn't it? The same person who said it would be 10,000 by December, who then charged everyone thousands of dollars to be a custodian for them. Remember that? The guy down the road from me. Remember that? That never happened, did it? He took all your money. Now it's going to go 10,000 by next week. It's always going to go 10,000 by some moment of madness. We all have our opinions. Oh, look, VZ, you can't take over the show anymore, right? It's not your show, mate. It's mine. Phoenix, I sold Nvidia this afternoon. Congratulations. Everyone's selling it. I'm loving it. I'm the last person to sell it. I bet you won't get any hassle, though. Look, all these people have sold Nvidia before me. They won't get anyone on it. They won't get anybody on YouTube and X going, oh, I can't believe Kazansky sold it. Oh. Martyn Lucas, he's a bloody idiot. He sold it. There we go. RC3. I sold all my Nvidia. He won't get any hassle either. Nobody will bother him. Nothing but love from me, baby. I'll go all over the place. Oh my God. Yeah, but it's not your show, mate. It's all right. He just likes to talk a lot. Does he? He likes to talk a lot. Sold my Nvidia. Thanks, Martyn. Nigel sold Nvidia. Everyone's selling Nvidia. Thanks, Vaz. I'm just a talker everywhere I go. That's fine, mate. Just be nice. Great info. Thank you, Wealth. What nationalists are this guy? What's going on, Liz? You've lost me now. I was founder member of original Discord. If I join back up, do I need to be on? Yes, it's a completely different thing now. Kazansky, there's so much going on. Nvidia, we have like about 30 channels. We have a gaming channel where you win Luca coins. You can play rock, paper, scissors, roulette, prediction. You can win coins, which you can exchange for backstage passes, merchandise. Vaz is giving away tickets to go on behind the scenes at air shows. You get 2-stage events every trading day, so you see all my trades. We answer questions. We one-on-one service. I share all my trades with you 24/7. I answer questions directly 24/7. Sensei does stage shows like trading, chart reading shows. We have live phone-ins. We have all different channels. There's no bots, no AI. It's all real. It's $2.99 for the basic level or $4.99 for the pro level. $4.99. I'm just telling you because everyone gets frustrated in the process of upgrading because of Apple makes it difficult. Everyone's gone pro now. Everyone's upgrading. All right. But feel free to go $2.99. But I'll just tell you, everybody goes pro straight afterwards. They go, oh, why didn't I just go pro? I'm not trying to sell you it, mate. I don't make any money out of Discord. Time we take out the tax and the commission to you, Discord, and the time it takes me to do it, it's just a service, a fun thing, right? We could charge 10 times as much, right? It will never go up in price. There's no inflation. And you can always try it for a month and leave. No one ever does. It just keeps going. We've got, I think, 658 members now. And I think most of them are pro now, something like that. Anyway. So there you go. Come and join us. There's Discord. Yeah, and the reason for the onboarding is it shows you a video. You learn all about it. You go through the questions so we know you're real. Send me a friend request once you've got onboarded and you've chosen membership. All right, there you go. I'm currently trying to learn how to trade. Join us on Discord then. We do training. Sensei's got his newsletter on Discord as well. We've got the training course on Discord as well. Loads of stuff. My friend is a pro. He's in and out like you guys all the time. I'm trying to become a Lucas Pro on Discord, and it just says application pending. Okay. Which one are you? Let me go and look for you. I've got the music show in a minute. Bloody hell, what's going on here? Hang on. What's your name on Discord? What's your name on Discord? Which one are you on Discord? Pending. Oh, oh my God. I've had loads of people just join in the last 5 minutes. Let me do some onboarding. Big Bubba. Okay, Big Bubba wants to come in. Let me do some Discord. Here, let me onboard everybody. I'll do it live right now. I'll put the music show back 15 minutes, all right? There's the Discord link, right? Let me onboard everyone. All right? Let me onboard everyone, okay? I'll do it now. Okay. Let me have a look. Let me onboard everybody. So, okay, this is Biggie Bubba. I'll onboard all of you now. So you've all got it for the weekend. Because over the weekend, we're going to be trading. So you want it all, right? So this is for you, Biggie Bubba. Biggie Bubba. Let me just give you a second. All right, that's another one. Don't send me a friend request until you've got your membership. You're just wasting everybody's time. So there's no point you doing that. Once you've been admitted, you've got a few minutes to choose your membership. So don't lark about. Right, in a van wants to come in. Okay. Now I'm nice to everybody, even those that mess about. So just be nice, because if you're not nice, we just ban you, right? I'll assume everybody's a nice person. I'm nice to everybody, but if you start being rude and being silly, wasting everyone's time, right, then we just ban you. So don't lark about, especially when I'm trying to help you doing it live like this, okay? Right, this is for in a van. Are you living in a van? I never understand these names. I was like, is that the name your mum gave you? Living in a van. Anyway, I'm funny. I'm just old fashioned. I just like to use my name. Makes it easier. That's just me. All right. I'm always having a go at people. Right. Okay. So in a van, there you go. You got a few minutes. Watch the video. Make sure you do it properly. Don't mess about. Oh, Dave is coming in. Love the info. Okay, Dave. You're trying to come in as well. Okay. Hang on, Dave. Hang on, Dave. Is that your real name? He's going, yeah, I'm called Dave, mate. That is my real name. I believe you. Okay, I've sent you first message. Here comes your second one. Okay. Here comes the video. It's an 8-minute video. You got to watch it. We want to make sure that you're a right fit for the server. This is real investors, right? People with lots of money to invest. We don't want to waste our time with people larking around, right? We just get rid of those people. Those people don't even get in. And the video is important to read it. You've got to read the video. Sorry, read the video. You got to watch the video. All right. Gumpy. Is that yeah, Gumpy. Is that your real name? That's not your real name, is it? Okay, you want to come in. All right. Some of you are sending friend requests. Don't send a friend request until you've chose your membership. And make sure you do it on a browser. Because if you don't do it on a browser, you get ripped off by Apple. There's no need. People go, oh, you said it was $2.99. I paid $5. Well, that's because you gave money to Apple. I didn't tell you to do that. Do you want a browser? Oh, okay then.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. We got a new member.
Activape has become a member.
I can believe it. We got 2,000 bloody members. How are you? Nearly everybody's a member. You should be Discord, Electrum, if you want all the trades, by the way. Right, you can always upgrade and cancel whenever you want. Right. Who am I doing this for? Gumpy, yeah. Everyone's going to get onboarded. Don't worry. I've got to put my music show back. That's supposed to start in 12 minutes. I've got no chance, have I? Right, that's Gumpy. Jonah. Jonah. Special message for Jonah. Jonah, it's one of Sensei's. Sensei's having he's had a baby, but his wife's had the baby. I should say that, right? Shouldn't I? So let me go to, who's this? Jonah. Hi, Jonah. Thank you for your application to our Discord server. It looks like you've got the newsletter as you've shared your email. So Sensei will take care of this application for you. Just give him a bit of time. He will take care of it this weekend as his wife just had a baby. I will keep my eye on it for you. Just please stand by. I'll update you shortly. Thank you. There you go. That's taken care of Jonah. Sorry, Jonah. So you're thinking, I want to come in now. Well, you can't come in now. Ebba. Ebba wants to come in. So let's let Ebba in. You get given a couple of comments. You get some questions. You watch the video. Do all the good stuff. Don't misbehave, otherwise we throw you out. We put you out with the rubbish. Okay. Eber, here comes your video. All right, here comes your questions. It's good doing it live, isn't it? You know it happens. You know it's real. You know it's me. It's always me doing it. Okay. Okay, that's that one. That's Eber. And then, we've got another one. Leona. Oh, I've done that one. Right, I'm up to date. Bloody marvellous. Now I'm going to go back and see some comments. Right. Okay, so first of all, I got a friend request. I got a friend request from Melroy. Hello, Melroy. I can only accept a friend request if you are a premium member. If you're not, I can and I ain't and I won't. And you can't make me. So let me search for you on the server. Melroy, yes, you are a pro member. Yes, you are a pro member, Melroy. Okay. Yes, you are. You've got Sensei's news on lock, so you've got some of the Sensei channels as well. And you want to be my friend. I would love to be your friend. There you go. Thank you, Melroy. Lovely to meet you. Love to get to know you around the server. I've got a little message from Vaz. Let me just turn the volume down a minute. It's private. I'm getting a message here from Vaz. I just got yeah, I just got, well, Vaz just going, he just said to me, I thought you'd pick it up. No, I got to do the comments as they come in. We got to do the comments as they come in. Otherwise we miss things out. Okay, here we go. We got another one. That was a private message, so I can't read it out. Okay, I'll deal with that later. Okay, have we got any more? My God, it's going. I'm trying to keep up with it, and it's like, I knew I shouldn't have started this. Whose idea was this? to do this live. Right, okay. Leonore. Okay, you've answered the questions correctly. I hope you've watched the whole of the video, though. That was a bit quick. It's 8 minutes long. I'm going to assume you did, because it was like, when did I give you the video? Okay, you just had time to watch it. So I'm going to, you know, it's a bit quick that, but and we'll assume you did. I'll assume you did. We'll soon find out on the next stage. And we've got lots of traps to catch the bad people. Let's hope we got a good one. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah. Leonore. And everybody is taken care of. Okay, everyone is taken care of. Everyone who wanted to be in is in. Everyone who wants to be onboarded is in. Let me tick that off. Okay, you all have now a few minutes to choose your membership. Loads of new members upgrading. Everyone's going to pro. Good. I got a ticket here. So we're doing all this live to help people out, right? I've got to get off now, though. Enough's enough. Enough's enough. This is from Thomas Morrow. Is there any way I can upgrade without waiting to my subscription on the 25th? I have cancelled that membership. I don't think the fact that you're missing out by not by getting, and I didn't like the fact I'm missing out by not getting to Predator. Yes. Hi Thomas, I will copy in William Bond, who's our moderator. But yeah, if you cancel, you can just come in again with a fresh account. That should work as long as you do it on a browser. I'll always let you back in again, so don't worry, you won't lose anything. Keep me updated, and I'll tag it in William Bond. I hope this helps. Thank you. Okay, let me put in William Bond in there. Okay. There you go. That's me done. I've taken care of everybody. Joined, added new role. Oh, hello. We got some pro members just joined. Big Bubba. Big Bubba. Yeah, Big Bubba, you've just come in. And you've gone pro. Send me a friend request now. All right, send me a friend request. And you will all be in. So let me just go on to here. Oh, you've sent me a friend request as well. I can do that. There we go. I've done that. Big Bubba. Oh my gosh. It's gone mental tonight. How am I supposed to keep up with all this lot? Big Bubba. Okay, here we go. Welcome, Big Bubba. This is your official welcome. You've just joined the server. You've gone pro. Congratulations. You'll now receive 2 on-stage events from me every trading day. You can direct message me. You can ask me live questions in the stage events. I will answer everything live for you. I will share all my trades 24/7. You can access the gaming channel where you can play to win Luca coins. It's completely free, and you can trade them up for things as you get more and more coins. You can access the shared channels with Sensei News, so you can see Sensei's chart trading, how to read charts, trading events when he does them. If you ever want to upgrade to the newsletter, if you're not on there yet, you can get the best discount ever. Whatever the discount the best is, you'll always get the best deal here in Discord because we partner with Sensei News. You might already be a member of the news, and if you are, give us open a ticket, tag Sensei, and put your email in there, and they'll give you all the channels as well, so you can actually access the newsletter, the training course, the chart shows, all inside Discord. So there you go. Welcome to the family. I've accepted your friend request. We're all good to go. Thank you, mate. Right, that's him taken care of. Biggie, I can now close that. Oh my gosh. Wow, what a flipping night that was. Right, that's it. That's it. That'll do. Bloody hell. Let me put the music show back a little bit. Name the song. Right, let me refresh that. Let me come back to YouTube. My portfolio is going up and up and up, which is great. I've de-risked. I've protected myself. I'm happy. I don't give a damn where Nvidia goes. I've got it, and I'm all good. 52 grand in buying power. Woo! Right. Okay. Up. Last message. No. Yes. Okay, Dave. All right, Dave. This is the last one. No more. Don't message me. Don't try and join the service. Don't try and do anything. I'm only joking. Do it, but I'm just not doing it now. Okay. That's Dave. Dave. Interview. There we go. Dave. Approve. All right. That's it. No more. Okay. Music show. That starts now. So I've got to go and just put that back. I'll put it back half an hour. Let me go and change that. I'll come back to YouTube now. Answer all your questions. Stay where you are. I'm just putting the music channel back by half an hour. What's the button? What am I got to do? Got to go to the... What do I do? How do I change it? I don't know. It's only my channel. Right, we'll make it 4:30. There you go. Half an hour. Right, okay. There we go. Right, I'm coming back to YouTube now. Switch account, back to there. Okay, back to YouTube. Where was I? I'm trying to become a Lucas Pro, and it just says application pending. I've dealt with it all. I tried to request a song back on my birthday, which was on the 11th, but I guess you didn't see my comment. No, well, join me on the music show tonight, mate, and I'll do it. I can't remember what you said to me on the 11th, mate. I've slept since then. Nice Fight Club reference, Vaz. Liz, you're not a Native American. Martin, it's your fault. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I guess it is. Wind your neck in. It wasn't America then. Yeah, no, I don't know. Was it? Bloody hell, let's not go on about that. My wife is part of the Choctaw tribe. There you go. They're using voice to text. Oh, is that what it is? First rule of Native Americans is don't talk about Native America. Thank you, Vaz. Yes, you rock, bro. Who does? Was America before Chris Collin, bud? You've lost me, mate. I don't know what we're talking about. Amazing returns. Thank you, mate. We've done all right. Don't conflate half-wit comments with common sense. Thank you, Permabull. Good evening, Jada. How are you? Ha. Good job, Martin. VK. All good. Happy to see you here. Faz is loving it. Some of you all need a dictionary. I'm learning from all these channels. You're speaking wisdom. Thank you, mate. So you think you know, but none of really as a clue. It changes nearly daily. That doesn't even make sense as well. So you don't have a bloody clue. That Jensen interview was rough. What interview was that? I didn't do an interview. Either you are an investor or trader. If you are a trader, you want money. If you invest, you don't care. That's ridiculous. What a stupid. Would you say that Warren Buffett is an investor? Does he trade? Does he sell? Of course he bloody does. He trims all the time. What are you talking about? You don't make money if you just buy and come back in 20 years. That's not investing. That's just going to sleep. Investing is monitoring your business. I agree with you on the principle of buying and owning a great business, but if you don't have infinite amounts of money, because I guess you probably do, I don't, you see. I have to make money by trading as well. And does it work? Yeah. Does it work? Yeah. I mean, how much I make year to date? Hang on. Where am I? 1 year. Okay, here we go. In 1 year, I've made $113,000, 53% in 1 year. No options, no shorts, and I haven't made any money on crypto yet. I've done all that by repositioning, using all the tools of the trade. Don't tell me you can't make money with Coca-Cola and the S&P. That is essentially what that is. 53% in 1 year. No options, no shorts, in fact, I lost money on crypto. I mean, so just buying and holding is not investing. That's like, well, that's what my mum said to do, so I'm doing it. Well, your mum said put your money in the bank. That was a stupid idea as well. Right? There you go. How would you know, Martin? Are you a native Chinese? Vaz, what are you talking about? I just don't want it to drop crazy so I can make more money. I just don't want it to drop crazy. Well, yeah, no one does. Well, you make money if it goes up or down, don't you? If you're always fluid and liquid, you make money both ways. If it goes up, I'm fully invested. Remember, I'm still using margin. I'm fully invested. All my cash is invested. I'm using the bank's money now. So if it goes up, I still make money. If it goes down, I've got $52,000 to buy a dip, haven't I? Either way round, I'm making money, aren't I? Right? Not buying any more Coca-Cola. Down 0.93 is sod all. If it goes down 2%, 3%, I'll spend the whole $53,000 in 1 second and buy Coca-Cola on the way down. 100%. 100% you'll see me do that because I've made money. Sitting around just doing nothing doesn't make money. There's always another opportunity, always. Absolutely right. Vaz, first rule of Martyn Lucas Investor. Song for space. Permaball, hell yeah. Martin, do you know the Muffin Man? Oh, God. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. The king is Elvis Presley, I thought. Well, he's the king of rock and roll, isn't he? He was the king of rock and roll. He's dead now. But he's not the king of England, is he? What? Not everyone from the UK knows the king. What? Not everyone knows it? Oh, yep. I know. Nick Jones. Can you believe it, mate? Goan. Suleiman. How you doing? Goan G. What does that mean? This guy is not for real. No, I'm not for real. This isn't real money. I just make it up. All of this isn't real. None of this. It's all AI. Look. Mate, look at my hands. It's AI, look. None of this is real. It's all made up. That's good. Look at that. Look, looks like my arm's on a pivot. Look at that. Can you do that? You're right. It's not real. It's all a joke. It's all nonsense. I'm not really, this isn't real money. I don't know, it is what it is. First it was, oh my God, I'm not reading all that out. Let's not have that on the screen. No, we're not having all this. Don't start being rude. Buying an XRP back under $1. Here we go. Converting liquidity is what you're doing. Is that what I'm doing? Converting liquidity. I like it. Sounds quite good, doesn't it? Right, okay. The Joker is the strongest card in the deck. Notice how non-member, it's always the same. The non-members always talk bloody rubbish. They always bloody do. Anyway, that's right. Starlight, amend to that. Electrum, yes. No idea who that idiot is. Fat Cat is definitely, yeah, I'm not getting involved. 5,000 to 700, I take back that full comment. However, politics is a touch. So, hang on, whoa. Love freedom. Politics is how you make money. We're not a political channel, but we follow what's going on in the political sphere, right? If Donald Trump says we're going to go to war tomorrow and blah, 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 the stock market crashes. We buy it if the valuations are right and 100 other things. That's what we do. That's how you make money. Okay? Donald Trump now is saying the Strait of Hormuz is all right. Everything's great. I've won the war. It's brilliant. Markets are going up. It doesn't mean it's true. It might be back down again next week. It's just an opportunity to make money. At the moment, politics is everything. It's driving the entire market. So yeah, I mean, look, this is, hang on a minute. This is my real balance. There you go. 5,000 to 685,000.
Stu 7,588 tipped £5 through Super Chat. If a place more than 3 or 4 sells on Robinhood UK in a day, get in trouble and flagged as day trader. You reading chat from the start again.
If I place more than 3 or 4 sales on Robinhood UK, get in trouble and flagged. Right, okay. You're talking about pattern day trading. Oh God, I'm getting later and later and later. I can't sit here. I've got a music show to do. Right, listen, folks. Being a pattern day trader is not a problem. It's there to protect you from gambling. Right? You can trade 1 million times on crypto. It's for free. It doesn't bother. Oh, hang on. Hang on.
At RV Capital Insight tipped $1.99 through Super Chat. Pattern day trading about to be removed.
I've heard this, but it was there just to protect people from trading. That's all it was. It doesn't even hurt you. And if you've got 25,000 in your portfolio, you can do what you want anyway. And you can trade as much as you want with with crypto. All it does is if you are marked as a pattern day trader, and every pro trader is, it doesn't matter. It just means you can't earn money on uninvested cash and what do they call it? Lend your stocks out. And these things aren't much anyway, so no one even cares about that. You make more money trading. So don't worry about it. All right? It's not important. Okay? Just so you know. And RV, I've heard the same thing about it being taken away. Yeah, so love freedom. Yeah, I've done all right. YouTube selects the gifted memberships randomly. No, it doesn't. It's those who engage. If you subscribe, like, and you're engaging with the channel, you're more likely to win. That's how it works. When someone does it, that's right. I love everybody, man. I'm an old United States hippie. I salute you guys. Thanks, mate. Not American. What the hell? He lives in Texas. I'm married to an American. My wife's American. Does that count? Electrum. Yes, I know, mate. You keep saying. Not sure XRP go back to 50 cents. I don't know. It's possible, though. Do you think Inve is a good thing? Oh, yes. It's $100 stock. Chill out, VZ, says Stu. Do you think Inve? Yes, I do. Sold all XRP. Congratulations, you made some money. I hope so, anyway. We got lots of new members. One, make sure that you upgrade to Electrum now because you've just basically been given a 20% discount. More than that. Is Starmer your White House contact? How did you know? XRP, thank you, Stu, for the membership, guys. Starmer, oh my God, I'm not reading that. Whack-a-troll time. What happens when the markets close on Friday? It's normally boom to, nothing ever closes. Not really. No, it's open for another 3 hours yet until 7 p.m. Central Time. Then you've got all the futures markets as well. And behind the scenes, stuff goes on 24/7. You just can't access it. I'll be buying XRP when it's back at 50 cents, said Josh. It's time for the closing bell. Time to go and do some music. Yep, correct. You have enough exposure to Nvidia. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Michael Ty. Exactly. But the idiots on social media will go, Martyn's an idiot. He sold all his... I bought Nvidia as a quick trade with margin at 4%, and I just made bloody, like, I don't know. How much did I make a minute ago? $7,000? I didn't even do anything, right? It's not... I didn't build anything, did I? Anyway, helium is a big one now. Do you have only one deposit on your trading account? So you only have one. So you've only made one deposit on your trading account, just $5,000, or do you? No. Your account over the years, mate. No. Dan, if you're one of my members, You would know the answer to that. You're a non-member. I'm late for my own music show. I'm happy to answer everything. I answer everything. But what you want is like a bloody great list of all my ledgers and all my ins and outs for the whole journey over 4 years. I haven't got time to do that now. And you're a non-member. I've got to I've got to go, mate. I mean, my time is valuable. I'm very happy to answer it. I just haven't got the time right now. I can't believe this thing, man. I'm watching it right now. This thing's going to take a big dump when it does. Hi all, Anubis, sold Nvidia, congratulations. Yep, sold mine, there we go. Everyone's making, sold Nvidia today, now in Coca-Cola, there you go. See, all winners making money. Every person here has made money. I guess I missed, why is everyone selling Nvidia? Why? Because we're making money, mate. I don't like pump and dump channels. Someone is getting ruined. Crypto, you couldn't be more wrong. We care about people more than anyone. I'm live all day, every day, right? We're not a pump and dump channel. We don't pump and dump stocks. We can't pump and dump stocks. We're not important enough. We don't have enough flipping members. We can't. I can't pump and dump Nvidia. And the fact you say that means you haven't got a clue what you're talking about, right? We are essentially long-term investors. Look at my main position. Look at my main position. Look, over here. Look, the S&P, VUG, Coca-Cola. These are my biggest positions, right? But you still got to take money off the top. That's how it works. But we're not pumping anything to dump it, are we? And the very nature, you're called crypto. You're crypto guy. You're in crypto. That's the most pumping and dump bloody sector in the world. What's my name? Martyn Lucas, my real name, by the way. Martyn Lucas Investor. You're called Crypto Cry BZ. And you're on about, I'm a pump and dump channel. Think about what you're saying. Oh my God. Card reading show, says Vaz. Hello, Vaz. Right. I am 35% up in Nvidia, but holding long-term 5 years. That's great. Hold for 5, 10, 20 years if you want. And you'll probably make some money. Of course you will. But you make a lot more money by trimming off the top and buying the stocks that are overbought and undersold. Oversold, underbought, oversold, overbought, whatever. Anyway, you could hold forever if you want. I mean, it makes a bloody difference. But remember, this is what people don't understand. When you say, I'm not holding forever, I've been in the market now for 4.5 years. I've never left. So I've never been out of Nvidia. I've never been out of Google, but I've made more money by pivoting and adjusting, haven't I? I mean, how have I not? How have I not? You're looking at it on the screen. I'm still in Nvidia. Don't just go, I'm buying and I'm sitting there for 20 years. You've just gone to sleep. I'm making a lot more money by doing this, and I'm paying no tax on it. By doing all my tax harvesting. You sit in there for 20 years, you're going to get a massive tax bill at the end of it. And I bet you my portfolio is 2 or 3 times the size of yours by doing nothing. It's not a matter of opinion, it's a matter of mathematical certainty. I'm new in crypto, but always watch your live, Martyn. I like your show. Thank you, Joan. Thank you, Joan. VZ, everyone has an opinion. No need for all this at all, mate. No need for all this. Martyn, I really like you, mate. But when you say a thing about Trump people get offended, I don't care if anyone gets offended. People today are so bloody weak and feeble. They get offended by boo. Oh, that offends me. I mean, the other day I went down to Dallas, and some bloke, right? He was a MAGA supporter. He had his Trump hat on, and I walked up to him. I said, "Hello, mate." He went, "Who are you, you limey bastard?" He literally said that to me, sitting there with his MAGA hat on. "Who are you, you limey bastard?" It's a derogatory term for an Englishman. I went, "I'm fine, mate." Just smiled and walked away. I'm not offended. If you want to call me a limey bastard like that and spit in a bucket, you carry on. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't mean anything. It's a stupid name. It means absolutely nothing. I couldn't care less. So, Martyn, I really like you, but when you say things about Trump people, get offended. Why do you get offended? I'm simply telling you the facts. I'm not against Trump. I'm not for Trump. I couldn't care less what Trump does. I'm here to make money and to make sure that my viewers make money. That's it. Right? Now you can say you love Trump. I'm not against him. I'm not for him. I'm for my viewers. That's what I care about. But when I say, I'll just say an example. If Trump says something which is a complete lie, and he lies a lot, and you can be the biggest MAGA supporter in the world, but if you don't think that Trump has ever lied, then you're completely mad. Because the whole world knows their lies. We fact check it all the time. Right? When Trump said, why doesn't NATO go to war with me? They wasn't consulted. He just did it and then said, why don't you join in? NATO is not an aggressive force. It's a defense force to protect its allies, not to go to war because Trump said so. It's not Trump's personal army. That's not an opinion. That's a fact. But Trump said they should go to war with me because I said so. Well, Trump can say what he wants. That doesn't make it true, though, does it? There's loads of things that are complete nonsense. We know 100%. We've seen the inside trading when the market will dump just before an announcement and goes the other way. It goes up just before an announcement. We know this whole thing is about money and control and power. We know that. And when they say inflation is coming down and the stock market is booming, until last week, we were down like 10% on the year. Trump said it was the best year ever. It's amazing. We were 10% down on the S&P. I can't make these numbers up. That's a fact. So if I'm saying something is incorrect or something is wrong, it's to benefit us investors. It's not to make you feel better about who you voted for and who you didn't. It's not to offend you. It's to give you information. And if you don't want information, go and watch a channel that just tells you everything is great or everything is rubbish. I'm just telling you how it is. That's why we always make money. It's up to you. So I like you too, Nosman. But I'm sorry that you get offended if I say that wasn't true. Right? I'm not saying anyone is stupid that's voted for Trump at all. I have never said you are stupid if you vote for Trump. I have never said that on my channel. There's some very smart people who are Republican, who like the Republican Party, that don't like Trump. They like the Republican policies. I can't tell you what I think. I don't want to tell you what my political affiliation is. It's nothing to do with the channel. But there are people that like Trump but don't like the Republican Party. So everyone's not stupid if they vote for Trump or stupid if they don't vote for Trump. You are stupid if I present you with a fact, a categorical fact, and you deny it. If I say to you, the world is round, and you say it's flat, then you're stupid. Because we can prove it is round. I know. These certain things are just fact, you know, and you don't have to accept it if you don't want to. You can go around believing anything you want. It's up to you. Okay. Trump will make us rich. No, Trump will not make you rich at all. Solid investing makes you rich. Buying undervalued businesses and the market when it's down makes you rich. Trump's crashed the market twice. The war and Liberation Day. And I bought both. Big time. Most people didn't. Most people bought on the way out. Both times. I bought on the way down. Both times. So Trump doesn't make you rich at all. You make yourself rich. Hello, guys. Frederick, I haven't forgotten you. I haven't forgotten you, mate. New members, thank you. You're very welcome. ETF is the real rocket. Sent Kazansky. Sent. What sent? What sent? What sent? Thank you. Yes, it's a Green Friday. Frederick, I didn't find you the 1 year member badge. Who's got a 1 year member badge? Have I missed something? I don't see that. Vaz, congratulations. Love to see Kazansky back. Oh, is Kazansky back? Is he a member again? Oh, what, on Discord? Bloody hell, look at the time. I'm late again for the music show. This is getting like ridiculous. It's like I'm ended up like I've got to go, guys. I can't keep sitting here all night. Oh my God. Right. Oh, Kazansky. He has. He sent a request to be on Discord. Here he is, Kazansky. Let me in. Oh my God. Kazansky, I'll do it straight away. Bloody hell. I just can't say no to helping people. It's stupid, isn't it? I've got a job to do. And it's a free show as well. You better all come to it now. Bloody hell. Thank you for that. Kazansky, Discord. That. Upload that. That. Questions. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm still doing this now. I've got a music show to do. Oh my God. Another person wants to be approved. Everybody wants to be in for the weekend. I understand. You want to see all the trades going on. I understand. This is in a van. Oh, Gumpsy as well. Bloody hell, what's going on? Why is everybody coming in at once? I've never seen a night like it. Okay, Gumpsy, you're in. You've got a few minutes to choose your membership. Right, I've done it. Okay, bloody hell. Right. I was down to the last couple of questions. Please don't comment anymore in the chat. I want to make sure everyone got their question answered. Just bear with me. Okay, hang on. Bloody hell. I've got to learn to say no. That's the biggest thing in life, business. Learn to say no. People will have you dancing around forever. He's saying thank you as I'm doing it. Okay. All right, mate. You're welcome. Bloody hell. Thanks for the much response. I was in the chat room afterward. I'm a fan of Discord server. Regarding sending you a friend request, I don't quite understand. Aren't we already friend on Discord? If not, could you please provide me the right Martyn because I should send it to? Oh God. Profile. We are already friends, mate. We're already friends. You can see that in your profile. Okay. Right. Okay. Leave me alone. Okay. Let me come back to YouTube, finish this up. Now I've got to get to my music channel. Bloody hell. Oh my God, I'm there again. Love to see Kazansky back. Yeah, it's brilliant. One of the old school, the old guard. I have one to 1 year. I love it. Thank you, Vaz. Yes, I was gone for a while, but now I'm back. Back to business. Back to business. Okay, mine's Penny Kazansky. I've done it. Slim. I don't know what your name is on Discord. I have no idea. I've done all the requests. I've done all of them. All right. I am Pro 2 now. Yeah. There you go. That was Phantom of the Opera. Yes. You'll hear it tonight in my show. I might have done that once before. Thanks for everything you do. You're very welcome, Jeff. Cherokee. Yes. What's up? Said Ruby. I'm nearly through. What's New York? Hi, Ruby. Been buying, selling. Yeah, we're making loads of money today. What's all time portfolio? Never seen it. Martin, did you get my upgrade? Upgrade to what? Electrum. I don't see that on here. I see that on the back end. If you've done it, you'll know. I mean, I didn't see it. I don't see it on here. How much you pay in tax? None. None at all. Because I do the tax harvesting, which is what we teach on Discord, don't we? How much is he up all time? How much am I up all time? We're up 113,000. Well, there's several accounts. On this account, on the brokerage, 113 grand, 53% this year. Always new all-time high. Yep. Kenny Glick said, if anyone says that, I don't understand that one. Have a great weekend. I'm a real boy. You are agenda-free. 5 grand to 685. That's correct. Robinhood, got it. Beautiful, great work, Martin. Good day, good day, good day. Mark Pierce, how are you? Moving. Yeah, really. Yes, really. Yes, really. Yes, really. Don't tell me, well, there's S&P's only been up 10% every year. It's buying the dip, reharvesting, tax advantages. Yes. Should interview you since you've been everyone in the market. Yes, I have beaten everyone in the market. Yes, I have beaten the market, and I have beaten Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway. Absolutely right. Yes, I was interviewed twice on Bloomberg. So you're not a member. You just wasted my time. I'm doing better than Silver. Congratulations, mate. Okay, Emma. Is anyone here from the United States? What do you do? We the vote. Martin, which platform is where you have all your purchase showing over 300 grand? Robinhood. It's all on Robinhood. I share it every day with everybody. Now, right, okay. I've got to go. I'll be here all bloody day otherwise. Listen, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I cannot believe we've been going on for bloody like a freaking 4 hours. I've got to change the music show again. Switch account. People are going to be really annoyed with me. I got 9,780 subscribers waiting to see my music show, and I keep moving the time. This is really, 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 really bad. Right. Really, really, really bad. Okay. 5 o'clock. Bloody hell. Look at that. Right. Okay. I'm definitely going to be on time now. Switch account. Right. Okay, guys, I've really got to go. Thank you very much indeed. I love you all. See you in a bit. I'm out of here. Right. Okay. If you want to join me, here's the show. This is where we're going now. And you can come in the music show and see what's going on. Live now on the music channel. There it is. It's pinned to the top. Right. There it is. Whoops. Here he goes. There it is. That's the event. Oh, God, it's broken again. It's Friday night. Everything's broken on a Friday night. On a Friday night, nothing works. There we go. There we go. Right. That's where I'm going right now for the music show. Come and join me. It will take you there automatically. Click on the link. I'm out of here. What a bloody week. Just sold some Nvidia. I'll be live over the weekend, 24/7. All my trades, all my shares. Anything that happens, I'll be going live with you on Discord. You know how it works. Right. That's it. There's the link if you want to join me. I'm not doing it now. I've got to go. All right. That's it for me, guys. Thank you much indeed. Love you all. See you back in a bit. See you on the music channel. Hopefully in the next few minutes. I'll be as quick as I can. Take care of yourselves and each other. Ta-ra!